Hey guys, thanks for watching. So today we're going to be changing the air filter for the engine and the in-cabin air filter in my 2004 Toyota Solara. This will be valid for, I believe, anything 2004 to 2008. This is the 4-cylinder, the 2.4 liter. You don't need any tools for the in-cabin. I'll show you guys that next. Right now we're going to do the engine air filter. All you need is a 10mm socket. Here's our parts here. I'm going to be replacing it with a K&N reusable air filter. And this is just a cheap little in-cabin one. I looked at the one I have the other day and it's horrible. So I just bought a little $10 one, cheaper, you know, probably anything else you'll find, and it's probably a lot thinner, but it's going to be better than an old gross sturdy one, and I'll swap it out in the near future. It's not hard at all. So let's go ahead and get into it. First thing you want to do is just loosen these bolts for your airbox. Go ahead and skip ahead to that. These guys are super easy to take off here. Just spin them on out. Should be able to finish them by hand now. Okay. And then that'll just lift up. It's got little hinges on the back side here. And I'll just kind of lifts out and cover my battery back up. Easy peasy. So I'm doing this all one-handed. Please forgive me. So this is our old one. Not too bad looking. You can see it's a lot darker sitting like that. The part closest to the ear is a lot darker. Definitely needs to be replaced. Let's go ahead and put our K&N in. This is our K&N air filter. It's supposed to let the car breathe a little better, a few additional horsepower, and they're reusable. I lean that on my battery. The kit that I bought, which I will link to both of these in the description, actually comes with oil and a cleaning soap for when you're changing your, or not changing, but cleaning your filter, which they recommend you do every oil change. So I was a little wrong. It actually only fit one way. This end at the front of the car on the driver's side corner is a little more curved out than the rest. You can see it's rounded, and there's a little bit of extra lip coming out on this side, just like it is on my old filter, which I should have just looked at first, because there's only one way to put it in. If this is the corner it goes on, you flip it the other way, there's no way to get it to that corner, so makes it pretty easy once you figure that out. You can get your two little indents. They're going to be on the bottom facing forward, and your curved end is going to be on the front driver's side, like I said. You can kind of get a good look at what I'm talking about here. So I just want to tighten this up a little bit. You can see how loose that hose is there. Actually, that's how the cover came off so easily. I was looking at the throttle body the other day. I'm gonna be cleaning that soon. See a video about that. Okay, move on to the in-cabin air filter. I'll see you guys inside the car. Alright, let's see if this guy fits. So, for your in-cabin air filter, CD book. It's because it still has a CD player. Swap out to a stereo soon. Oh, look, a little Beerus. Little Beerus. I got one up here too. He's hanging out. Yeah. Beerus the Destroyer looking like he's in a mental hospital. Because when you spend 25 cents on something out of a machine, they don't go too crazy detail painting his little god uniform, I guess. But so you just want to grab both sides of the glove box and push them in. See if I can put the camera somewhere, show you guys that. I really can't. I'm just going to lean it up here on the shifter for a second. Super easy. Just push in, pull down, and then everything comes tumbling out on you. But you got these two clips on the bottom. Let's see how that looks. Clips. Clips. And then once you get, sorry about that, once you get in here, you have two more clips you got to push in. This is your air filter. It's this white piece here. And you just pull it right out. It's super easy. Put that on the floor out here and show you guys what that guy looks like. What we've been breathing in. Pretty bad. Popped a Pepsi bottle in here as this door keeps swinging shut on me. So, we got our new one here. See, looks pretty similar. Looks like I just have to like install it on this or something. Oh, okay, I see how this works. Set my camera here. Hope that you guys can see what I'm doing. If not, I guess I'm just getting a bunch of dislikes on this video, and I guess my life's over. See how easy that just comes out of there. Give that guy a bang. New one here. Airflow. Okay, so if this goes in this way. Had to stop and use my brain for a minute and figure out which way the airflow is going in this car. Obviously, it's, I mean, I don't want to say obviously, but my guess, my super uneducated guess, because I'm an idiot, is everything's going to come up and go through your vents, so your airflow is going to be directed up. So, let's pop this guy back in. I said, let's pop this guy back in. Here we go. And, really gotta invest in something to hold my camera. Like maybe some, if they had some three-legged contraption that you can just mount it up on. I did something wrong here, other than dropping my camera. Sorry guys. Oh god, worst YouTube video ever. Okay, stay. So that's gonna go there. clips, push it in. Oh, sorry guys. And give it a push. Nice and simple. We almost forgot the best part. It's the most important part. Yeah, you guys like those bumper stickers, window decals, whatever you want to call them. By the way, who is that? Valor? Is that who it was? Never played as Valor. I was, oh wait, no, I was Valor. I think. No, I don't remember. Pokemon Go went. A little bit of soapy water. That sunset, beautiful. Florida, baby. Let that dry. Come over here. Spray. Wipe, 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 wipe. And there she goes. And there she is. That's so they don't throw out your air filter if you go in for like an oil change or something. So that's a done deal, guys. Thanks for watching.